Hello everyone, we'll be solving the CA CPT question paper from December 2017. We'll be solving questions on the quantitative aptitude portion. So let's start off with question number 53. In question number 53, it has been said that if u to the power 5x is equal to v to the power 5y is equal to w to the power 5z and u square is equal to vw, then xy plus zx minus twice x yz is equal to option A 0. Then option B is 1, option C is 2, and option D is none of this. So let us start off with the question. So we have been given that u to the power 5x is equal to v to the power 5y, and this is equal to y to the power w to the power 5z. So what we'll do over here, we'll take this this structure to be equal to k, say. So that implies that u is equal to k to the power 1 by 5x. Similarly, we can say that v is equal to k to the power 1 by 5y, and similarly we can say that w is equal to k to the power 1 by 5z. So now it has been given that u square is equal to vy. So what is v square? U square is basically k to the power 1 by 5x whole square, so that is 2 by 5x, and here vw is basically k to the power 1 by 5y into k to the power 1 by 5z. So this is ultimately coming down to k to the power 1 by 5y plus k 5z 1 by 5z. So if we eliminate k, then we get down to 2 by 5x is equal to 1 by 5y plus 1 by 5z. And if we eliminate 1 by 5 from both the sides, so we get 2 by x is equal to 1 by y plus 1 by z. So now if we do the necessary operations here, so we'll get the 2 by x, and here we take the LCM, so that is yz is equal to y plus z by yz. This is the structure. So that implies if we cross multiply, then we get twice of yz is equal to xy plus zx. So that implies that xy plus zx minus twice of yz is equal to 0. And we are supposed to find out the value of this expression. So I found out that the value of this expression is equal to 0, which is the option A. So option A over here is the correct option. Now let us move on to the next question.